The Rosemont has been designed and made in the UK by ARCC Bikes. Each bike is crafted from custom-drawn Reynolds Technology steel tubing and is hand-brazed. Machined stainless steel dropouts allow for a variety of drivetrain options and combine with large full-B Marathon Plus tyres to deliver a comfortable yet responsive ride. Complete with disc brakes, a carbon belt drive and a variety of hub gear options including roll-off, each bike is configured by you, for you. Simply choose from a range of options and ARCC will do the rest. We also offer a 5-year warranty on each Rosemont bike. You can also choose to upgrade your Rosemont to an electric bike with the E2 Pod Intelligent Drive System. Find out more and book your test ride today on our website, arcbikes.com.